Hey everybody, this is Dino reporting from the frozen tundra called Long Island, New York. Covering blizzard number 2 of 2011. Record snowfall here in New York for this year. And I think I've covered every flake. This is what I do. My cat, Stray, was just looking at me like I was nuts. Tried to take the car out, couldn't get it out of the driveway. The intensity of this snow was incredible. Never seen anything like it. Looks like we have at least 10, 12, 15 inches right now. Whole town is sleeping except for me walking around my video cam. Okay guys, this is Dino reporting from blizzard number 2, 2011. I hope you guys appreciate this. But actually I'm having some fun doing this, so. Alright guys, take care. I'll see you guys in the next video. Monkey Boy out.